What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another how to mine video. With the craze of Ethereum mining and Ethereum price getting close to $2,000, well, let's do a quick tutorial how to mine Ethereum, guys. With Phoenix Miner you will need more than 4 GB graphics cards. If you have 4 or less, you will not be able to mine Ethereum. Website we're going to be using is ethermine.org. Everything we need for this video will be on here, so let's get into it, guys. Once you get onto ethermine.org, go ahead and click on ETH up here and click on let's start mining. Once you do that, something like this will open up for you. How to connect: choose your mining server. You have Asia, Europe, US East, and US West. Use either or you can use two. I'll show you that in a bat file. Underneath all of that, there's Phoenix Miner down here. Go ahead and click on it. It will open this page for you. If you scroll down here to quick start, a mega.nz file, give it a little bit of time to load. Accept or not accept cookies, up to you. And down here, the latest one is 5.5c. You got Linux and Windows. We'll be using Windows here, guys. So all you would do is click on it and download to wherever you want to download as a zip or standard download. I always download as a zip. I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead, shut this off, go ahead and go unzip the file and get ready to set up mining. Once you extract the file, it should look like this, so go ahead and double click on it. And down here you're going to see Start Miner or Start Miner ETC. The bottom one has a setup bat file for ETC. But we're going to be doing Ethereum today, so we're going to go ahead and right click and edit. Now if this does not show, see how there's little gears in here, if that does not show like that for you, go ahead, put your bat file in here and then go ahead and save it as a .bat file. So let's look over my bat file. So it's phoenixminer.exe space dash pool space ssl / us1.ethermine.org 5555. You got colons right here. And I also have a pool 2 that I set up. Looks like I put the same ones in both, but if you want, you can put USA 1 and then USA 2, which we saw on the website. We saw that right here. So why would you do that? Just in case one goes down, it will automatically connect to the second one for you. After you enter your pools, go ahead and do space dash wallet space. Go ahead and copy and paste your receiving Ethereum wallet address wherever you have it, whichever one you're using. That is completely up to you. There's a lot out there. And end, after you put the address, put a period and then name your rig. So I named my UNK like UNK crypto or unknown crypto. You can put here whatever you would like. And then bottom line just says pause. That's it. Once you do that, go ahead and file, save as, and make sure it's saved as a .bat file. If you already have the bat file set up and it looks like mine does right here, you can just click save. If you don't, go ahead and enter .bat file. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel on mine because mine's already saved and everything else. After this, all you would have to do is, this is where we saved it. Go ahead and double click on it and it will start mining for you. First thing is going to show you the GPU you're using, 1616 Ti, all the pool and everything else you have connected to it, and then it's going to start building a DAG file. Give it a lot of time to build the DAG file and make sure you have your MSI Afterburner open. This is where we're going to do our overclocking or underclocking, whatever you call it. So I have this card saved already under number 5. So if you guys don't know how to save, hit the save button and then just choose one of these spots. I'll leave it on 5. Now you guys are going to hear a little bit more noise in the background. I apologize for that because it's right, the computer is right next to me. So basically on a 1616 Ti, what I have, I put the power limit all the way down to 58, minus 250 core because Ethereum doesn't use core. Ethereum is a memory heavy algorithm. Add 980 memory. So what I suggest for memory, do not go all the way up right away. I started at 500 and worked my way 600, 700, 900. When I get to 900, then I go 910, 920, 930, and I pause a couple of minutes between just to see where it's going to be the most stable for you. And do not go over 1,000 because this card will probably crash at 1,000 or a little bit over 1,000. So I found it to be most stable at 980. So like I said, go by 10 after you reach 900 or by 5 even. If you want to be even safer, and then watch, give it a couple minutes between each settings to see where it's running the safest. So right now you guys can see it's doing 26.2, which is wrong because I'm using this computer to record and all these programs here. When all the programs are off, I'm getting about 30.4, 30.5 depending on my setting. This setting was yielding me 30.43. So that goes how to set up your bat file, how to start the program, and overclocking. I'm going to go ahead and shut this program off and go ahead and show you guys how you can check your miner and check what it's doing besides in the program. So under, we go back to ethermine.org, make sure you're on ETH, and right here or down here, wherever you want, you can enter your address and it'll pop up right away our dashboard. So you can see I have one worker open, which is this desktop. On paid, I have this estimated earnings daily, weekly, and monthly. This is pretty accurate. I get about 0.002 something each day, which I have in my spreadsheet. It says current hash rate is 34.4, which is reported is the accurate one. I don't know why that's saying 34. 31 valid shares, 0 stale, and you can watch your hash rate. It will fluctuate up and down. Don't worry about this. The most important is this up here, the unpaid balance, estimated earnings, and everything else. And down here, like I told you, we named the rig UNK. It's running right here, right now. Last thing I want to show you, if you go to payouts, if you go to settings, right here it says payment threshold in Ether, how much you want, minimum cash out or maximum cash out. If you want to change it to the lowest, it's 0.1 right now, and you will have to go and get your IP address. If you don't know your IP address, type in Google, what's my IP address, and then I would click on what is my IP address. It will show it there for you. I'm just keeping mine private. So you're going to go ahead and close that, and we'll go back to the dashboard. That's it, guys. So I showed you how to download the miner, set up the BAT file, how to start the program, and where to check your miner, your earnings, and everything else. So if you're on the fly and you're not next to a rig, you can possibly do this on your phone even. Type in ethermine.org, copy and paste the address here, and watch it if you really want to. Alright guys, any questions, comments, leave them below as always. I'll try to answer them. If I can't, I'll direct you somewhere where we can get the answers as always. And if you guys like my videos, please hit the subscribe, like the button, leave a comment, and as always guys, have a wonderful day.